Today we will discuss about electrochemistry chapter topic Nernst equation. Like and subscribe my channel Masters Mind Education. The complete formula for Nernst equation is E naught minus 2.303 RT divided by NF log bracket C power small c bracket d power small d divided by a power small a bracket b power small b, where E is electrode potential and E naught is standard electrode potential. R is gas constant and fixed value for it is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. Temperature T is 298 Kelvin, which is room temperature. F is Faraday constant, fixed value 96500. Now, if we put the value of R, T and F in the above equation, we will get E equals to E naught minus 0.059 divided by N log bracket C power C D power D divided by A power small a bracket capital B power small b. I am giving you a simple example to learn this area. Let us take an example reaction. Small a capital A plus stoichiometric coefficient B capital B arrow stoichiometric C capital C plus stoichiometric small d capital D. Now whole stoichiometric will goes to power and that capital C, capital D is product. The formula will be product over reactant. Another formula for measuring EMF of the cell is E cell equals to E right minus E left. I will give you simple and easy explanation. You just simply remember E cell equals to E big value minus E small value, or the basic formula is E cell equals to E cathode minus E anode. Now let us take an example of cell reaction. Ni bar Ni2 positive, salt bridge Cu2 positive bar Cu. The value of E naught Cu2 positive bar Cu is 0.34 and value of E naught for Ni bar Ni2 positive is minus 0.25. Now using formula E naught cell equals to E naught right minus E naught left. Now students, remember one thing, this side is your left side, this side is your right side. According to formula, right minus left. So the value of right is copper. So value of copper will be 0.34 minus the value of nickel will be minus 0.25. So the value will be 0.34 minus minus plus 0.25. It comes out to be 0.59 volts. The value of E naught cell is 0.59 volts. Now I am writing the reaction again. Now this side is left side, this side is right side. Now according to ABCD, the letter A comes first, so this side will be anode and this side will be cathode. So therefore anode, salt bridge, cathode. Always remember this thing. As you can see on the screen, I have written a numerical. A copper silver cell is set up. The copper ion concentration is 0.10 m. The concentration of silver ion is unknown, means you have to find the value of silver ion. The cell potential when made was 0.422 volt. Determine the concentration of silver ion in the cell. The values of Ag positive bar Ag for E naught is given and for Cu is given to you. Now let us solve the numerical. Now let us write a cell representation reaction. Cu bar Cu2 positive 0.10 capital M concentration is given to us. Salt bridge Ag positive bar Ag. You have to calculate the value of concentration of Ag positive in this numerical. Now writing the cell reaction Cu plus Ag positive, this one, arrow Cu2 positive plus Ag. Now balance the equation, as there are two Cu2 positive ions and one Ag positive ion, so you have to balance this equation. So now we have balanced the equation, as there are two positive ion on reactant side and two positive ions on product side. So this is how we balance the equation. Remember student, you have to balance the element and you have to balance the charges also on both side, reactant as well as product side. As the value of cell potential means E cell is given to us, you have to calculate the value of E naught cell by using the formula E right minus E left. Now on right hand side of the equation, Ag positive is given, on left hand side Cu2 positive is given. So means right side value will be for Ag positive 0.80 minus 0.34. It comes out to be 0.46 volt. The value of E naught cell comes out to be 0.46 volt. Now writing the Nernst equation according to the reaction, E cell equals to E naught cell minus 0.059 divided by N log concentration of product over concentration of reactant. As you can see in the reaction here students, the reaction for Cu2 positive is on the product side and Ag positive is on the reactant side. The Ag positive have two stoichiometric coefficients, so we have to write stoichiometric coefficient in the power of the formula in the form of power like this. The stoichiometric coefficients are placed in power. Now you have to calculate the value of N also from reaction. Students, as you can see, I have written an equation Cu plus 2 Ag positive arrow Cu2 positive plus 2 Ag. Students, using the rule PCRL, P stands for positive, C stands for cathode, R stands for reduction, L stands for left. Now apply PCRL rule on the above equation. As you know, Ag is acting cathode. Ag is acting as cathode. So break the reaction. 2 Ag positive plus electron negative forming 2 Ag. Now according to this, cathode is Ag, you have to add electron on left side of the arrow. So this is your left side, you have to add electron on the left side. As I told you earlier, you have to balance the element as well as charge also. Elements are balanced. Now put 2 and you have now balanced the charge also. There are 2 positive charges plus 2 negative charges. So overall charges are balanced and element is also balanced in this equation. Now writing the second reaction, which is of oxidation, that is Cu arrow Cu2 positive plus true electron negative. This reaction will be reverse of this rule, as this is reduction reaction. So this will be oxidation. Always remember, electron is added on right hand side in oxidation and electron is added on left hand side in reduction. Remember this PCRL rule. Students, now put all the values in the equation. Value of E cell is given to us, that is 0.422 equals to E naught cell we have calculated 0.46 minus 0.059 divided by n. The value of n comes out to be 2, as 2 electrons are present, so value of n will be 2. Log concentration of copper is given to us 0.10. Concentration of silver we have to find. Now by solving the equation, 0.059 divided by 2 log 0.10 divided by Ag positive power 2 equals to 0.46 minus 0.422. Now 0.059 divided by 2 log 0.10 divided by Ag positive power 2 equals to 0.038. Now shift these values on right hand side. Log 0.10 divided by Ag positive power 2 equals to 0.038 into 2 divided by 0.059. This side comes to be 1.2881 equals to log 0.10 divided by Ag positive power 2. Solving the equation further, the log is shifted and it will be now anti-log of 1.2881. The rule for finding the anti-log is, before point it's come on power 10 raised power 1. If 2 is written, 10 raised power 2. If 40 is written before the point, 10 raised power 40. Now look for these two combined values in log table. As I show you, this is anti-log rhythm table. The value of 0.28 is over here, 28 under 8. It comes out to be 1941. 1941. Always remember to put point after the first digit. Now solving it, 10 raised power 1, it will be 19.41. Now solving it further, Ag positive power 2 equals to 0.1 divided by 19.41. It comes out to be 5.15 into 10 raised power minus 2. Ag positive power 2 equals to Ag positive. Now square rooting both sides, you will get your final answer. This is 0.0717 capital M. This is your final answer for the numerical.